This is a British Leyland Mini 1000, and honestly, I don't know if this thing can even be saved. It's been sitting here for years, covered in dirt, rust, and neglect. People walked past it. They gave up on it. Oh man, look at this. Rust everywhere. Ah. That edge is sharp. Door doesn't even open. Ugh, this smell. Look at that mud. Years of it. Oh, that's disgusting. But under all this dirt, there's still metal. Okay, lift it. Ah, man, this thing is heavy. Easy, easy. Yep, that definitely hurt. Come on, come on. Ah, yes, finally. This is not restoration, this is a fight. Wow, look at that. from filthy to clean.
You can be a complete legend now.
This is why I love doing this. I can't believe this is the same car. Same Mini, different soul. British Leyland Mini 1000. Everyone called it junk. I called it worth saving. If you enjoy real restorations, the pain, the effort, the wins, hit like, subscribe, and stay with me.